Is your Messenger missing the active friends list? Let's solve this together. First, ensure you are connected to the internet. Poor connectivity can cause issues. Next, check your app settings. Sometimes, notifications are turned off accidentally. Update your Messenger app if you haven't done so. Outdated apps can lead to glitches. Log out and log back in. This simple step can refresh your friend list. Finally, restart your device. Sometimes all it needs is a fresh start. After these steps, check if your active friends are visible again. It should work. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Check for server outages online that might affect Messenger globally. You can also report the issue to Messenger support for further assistance. Stay updated with community forums for similar issues and solutions from users. Now, dive back into your chats and reconnect with friends easily.